everyone, welcome to EngCanton Learn. I'm your certified guide, a native Hongkonger and Chinese teacher.
Are you planning a trip to Hong Kong, or just starting your Cantonese journey? You probably already know how to say thank you, but here's the catch. Cantonese has two ways to say thank you.
多謝 and 唔該.
Which one do you use? In this first lesson, we're going to solve that puzzle and master 10 essential phrases you need to survive on the streets of Hong Kong. Let's dive in. Let's start with the phrase that confuses almost every beginner, thank you. In English, it's easy. But in Cantonese, we have two completely different phrases, and mixing them up will make you sound awkward. So, let's solve this puzzle right now.
Remember this simple rule. Rule 1. Use
多謝
when you receive a gift or a compliment. For example, someone gives you a birthday present. You say,
多謝
Repeat after me.
多謝
Rule 2. Use
唔該
when you ask for a service or you receive help or a service. Example 1. You ask a waiter for a glass of water. You say,
唔該
Repeat after me.
唔該唔該
Quick check. When you want someone to move so you can pass, you say,
Now that we've mastered the thank yous, let's learn 8 more essential phrases for everyday life.
Phrase 3. Hello.
Nei Hou Nei Hou
Phrase 4. Long time no see.
Hou Noi Mou Gin Hou Noi Mou Gin
Phrase 5. Goodbye.
Joi Gin Joi Gin
Phrase 6. Excuse me or sorry, for minor mistakes.
This is the everyday phrase for bumping into someone, or getting past them on a crowded street. It's polite and light. Quick tip, you also use
唔好意思
to get someone's attention in a shop or restaurant, just like excuse me in English.
唔好意思唔好意思
Phrase 7. I'm sorry, for serious mistakes.
If you've made a more serious mistake or truly regret something, you use this phrase. It carries more weight.
對唔住對唔住
Phrase 8. It's okay or no problem.
And how do you reply when someone apologizes to you? You say,
唔緊要
it means it's fine.
唔緊要唔緊要
Phrase 9. Have you eaten yet?
And here is a fun phrase that is super common in Hong Kong. Have you eaten yet?
In Cantonese, 食咗飯未 literally means, have you eaten rice yet? But just like asking, how are you? In English, we rarely expect a detailed answer. It's simply a way of greeting someone, showing care, and starting a conversation. You can simply reply, 食咗啦
食咗飯未食咗飯未
Phrase 10. No problem.
Finally, when someone asks you to do something, or if you want to say something is easy to handle, you use
冇問題
it means no issues or can do.
冇問題冇問題
So there you have it. You've mastered the 10 essential phrases. But let's do a quick recap on the most important rule we learned today, the difference between our two thank yous.
Pause the video and take a screenshot of this card right now. This is the ultimate guide. Remember, Doh Je is for the gift, the compliment, the thing you receive. Mh Goi is for the service, the favor, the action someone does for you. Get this rule right, and you're already sounding like a pro.
You've learned 10 essential Cantonese phrases. If this video helped you finally understand the difference between the two thank yous, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to EngCanton Learn Cantonese and English so you don't miss our next lesson. Thank you for watching, and
Joi Gin.